Shift back. You want to help? But take your spoon. Don't help me. Go back. Ah, oh wow. Don't cry. See, hot.
And he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning.
Hi my besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day 4. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys what we had in a day, what all be ordered for him to eat in a day. So right now I'm making noodles. So here are the ingredients. We are using sweet corn, carrot, green pepper, yellow pepper, some fish, and garlic, ginger. The indomie is already cooking, so I mixed everything in the pan. I'm just going to stir fry it a bit. Then when the indomie was ready, I mixed the indomie together, and this was what he had in the morning. Okay, this is an addition of what my husband eats in a day. Yeah, these are the foods he ordered in a day. Yeah, I gave him with 2 eggs. Okay, I added sausage at the ending of it, and this is what the food looks like. So love, if you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. So let's make lunch. All right, this lunch is kind of different because I'm making this lunch. I remembered a recipe. I told him I want to try this recipe out. He was like, okay, he's all right with it. So far, it comes at delicious. I said, no problem. It's gonna be amazing. This recipe reminds me of my childhood. Okay, if you live in Lagos, all right, you know this apartment called Face Me I Face You house. Yeah, so when I was a child, we lived in that kind of apartment, and I saw a lady making this recipe and I could not forget it. So I'm remaking the recipe back, like childhood memories. Some childhood memories always stick in the head. This particular childhood memory, that is this food, stick in my head. So I'm making spag, all right, but I'm making spag, so I'm going to be adding all these veggies inside, okay? And I'll be adding plantain, egg. Like, this recipe is so amazing. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this kind of recipe before. As I said earlier on, this was my childhood memory, and this particular one is stick on my head. It did not disappear. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the vlog. If you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, please subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share, and comment.
Bright star atop a lighted tree, all wrapped up underneath gifts.
So here is our ingredients. This is egg, tomatoes, green pepper, carrot, onions, plantain. I'll be using tuna fish again. I'll be using salt, and I'll also be using maggi, paprika, thyme, and curry. And right now I'm going to lit the stove and just put my pot. Then when the pot is dried, I'll add my oil. Then we'll fry the plantain first before we move to the next.
In every shape and size, toys aren't the only reason we celebrate the season. Christmas morning comes, opening our eyes.
So loves, the plantain is ready. Right now I'll add my onions. I use the same oil I used to fry the plantain to fry all this. Onions, green pepper, and carrots. I will stir fry this together. Then after this I'll add my tomatoes, and after adding my tomato, sorry, I'm pronouncing tomato. Then I'll allow it to cook for a while. After that I will add my the rest of the ingredients, like the fish, okay? And after adding the fish, I'll add maggi. I added pepper inside the tomato as well, okay? I'll add maggi, salt, and every other things. Then I'll also add the plantain inside, then the egg will be the last thing we'll add. Okay.
Beneath the stars so bright, little faces beaming with delight, filled with awe and wonder at the sight, gift beneath the stars so bright, bright star that beckoned from the east, all wrapped up underneath God's gift of love and light.
So I allow the egg to fry with every other thing in the pot, and this is what we have. This is the sauce we have. It's so amazing, like guys, this sauce is so amazing. It smells and tastes like my childhood memory. So after this, I will cook my spaghetti, and I'll mix it together with this sauce.
Babe who would change the world for every man and woman, boy and girl, shining
Thank you.
through the darkest night. Give
So love, the spaghetti is ready. I'm going to mix it with our sauce, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the ending.
beneath the stars so bright, angels' faces beaming with delight, filled with awe and wonder at the sight, gift beneath the stars so bright.
So let's make dinner. I'm having coffee because I was feeling a bit sleepy, so I just wanted to have coffee to wake me up. Yeah, so we are having pork sauce with stew and rice. Yeah, so this is what hubby wants to eat. As I said earlier in the vlog, that this is what my oga ordered for. What my oga ordered for is what I cook. Yeah, so I'm just washing the pork, removing any dirt from it, and after this we'll chop it in small cubes.
Wise men still come, and they still see the greatest gift we ever will receive.
So right here I'm trying to debone the pork because the pork came with some bone. So I'm trying to debone it, like bring out all the meat from the pork and remove the bone.
Gift beneath the stars so bright, angels' faces beaming with delight, filled with awe and wonder at the sight, gift beneath the stars so bright, gift beneath the star so bright. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The season of peace is finally here.
So I'm done chopping the pork in smaller pieces. Okay, so right now I want to put soy sauce, black pepper, salt, and paprika. Okay, just to give the pork a different taste. All right, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'll keep it in the fridge to like stay for like maybe 30 minutes. Then we'll start with the cooking process.
When family and friends and neighbors come to call, bringing love and Christmas cheer. It's Christmas time.
These are the veggies we are using for this stew. Okay, I love using carrot on my food, so some onions, carrots, and fresh tomato.
It's Christmas time. The lights on the trees shine so bright. Hear carolers singing from house to house. Silent night, oh holy night. See mistletoe hanging in the doorway, inviting a secret stolen kiss. It's a wonderful, heartfelt time for everyone on earth to reflect and reminisce. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. See children skating merrily in the square.
So I'm done with my veggies and everything is ready. So we're going to start by putting oil in the pan. All right, then when the oil is hot, then we will add our onions. After adding the onions, we'll also add our pork meat. All right, and allow that to fry a bit. Then we'll add the rest of this ingredients in this pan.
Smiling boys and girls with faces all aglow, waiting for Saint Nick to appear, to find their stockings loaded with gifts from their list.
So loves, right now our pork is ready, and I'll add the rest of our ingredients, which is garlic. I added garlic and I'll stir it a bit, then add our tomatoes and carrots. All right, then I'll allow this to cook for a while before I add my seasoning and a cup of water. Then I'll allow this to boil for like 30 to 45 minutes so that the pork can be very soft and tender. Then I will show you guys what our food looks like. If you've watched this extent, thank you all so much for watching, and please do well to subscribe if you have not. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video, and also like and comment and share. Thank you all so much for all the love throughout this vlogmas. I really do appreciate. Compliment of the season. Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. I'm wishing you guys Happy Christmas and Happy New Year by this time. Yes, so love. So please keep on watching and see my ending presentation of this food.
All the children of the world, soon they'll believe that wishes do come true for every good boy and every good girl. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The happiest time of the year.
So my besties, this is the end result of the food. I use cucumber to garnish the topping, and this is what we have. And I bake this cake a recipe is already on my channel. I'm just going to link it together with this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow in our next vlogmas. Bye guys.